In today's fast-paced digital world, mastering AI tools for productivity has become essential for individuals and businesses alike. AI tools, or artificial intelligence tools, are revolutionizing the way we work by automating tasks, analyzing data, and providing valuable insights to boost efficiency. By harnessing the power of AI tools, you can streamline your workflow, make informed decisions, and stay ahead of the curve in this rapidly evolving technological landscape. AI tools have a profound impact on productivity by simplifying complex processes, reducing manual labor, and enabling faster decision-making. These tools leverage machine learning algorithms to analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and generate actionable insights in real time. By automating repetitive tasks and handling mundane activities, AI tools free up valuable time and resources, allowing you to focus on high-value tasks that require human creativity and critical thinking. In today's competitive market, the relevance of AI tools in optimizing workflow cannot be overstated. By incorporating AI tools into your daily operations, you can streamline processes, improve accuracy, and enhance collaboration among team members. Whether you're a freelancer looking to boost your productivity or a business owner seeking to scale operations, AI tools offer a wide range of benefits that can drive growth and success. One of the key advantages of using AI tools is their ability to adapt to changing business needs and market trends. These tools continuously learn from data inputs, refine their algorithms, and deliver personalized recommendations that align with your specific goals and objectives. By harnessing the potential of AI tools, you can unlock new opportunities, drive innovation, and achieve greater efficiency in your work. In this video, we will explore the transformative power of AI tools in enhancing productivity and driving success in today's digital age. Join us as we delve into the world of artificial intelligence and discover how you can leverage these cutting-edge tools to optimize your workflow, make smarter decisions, and propel your productivity to new heights. Be sure to like and subscribe for motivational content like this in the future. Now let's get started. Understanding AI tools. When it comes to enhancing productivity and optimizing workflow, there is a wide array of AI tools available that cater to different needs and objectives. From virtual assistants to automation software and data analytics tools, these AI-powered solutions are revolutionizing the way we work and helping us achieve more in less time. Let's explore some popular types of AI tools and how they can transform your productivity. Virtual assistants, such as Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant, are AI tools that use natural language processing and machine learning algorithms to understand and respond to user queries. These virtual assistants can schedule appointments, set reminders, answer questions, and perform various tasks to help you stay organized and focused throughout the day. By delegating routine tasks to virtual assistants, you can free up time and mental energy to tackle more strategic and creative projects. Automation software, like Zapier, IFTTT, and UiPath, are AI tools that automate repetitive tasks and streamline workflows by connecting different apps and systems. These tools enable you to create custom workflows, trigger actions based on specific conditions, and eliminate manual data entry and processing. By automating mundane tasks, you can reduce errors, increase efficiency, and ensure consistency in your work processes. Data analytics tools, such as Tableau, Power BI, and Google Data Studio, are AI tools that analyze and visualize data to uncover insights, trends, and patterns. These tools help you make data-driven decisions, identify opportunities for improvement, and track key performance indicators in real time. By harnessing the power of data analytics tools, you can gain a deeper understanding of your business operations, customer behavior, and market trends, enabling you to make informed decisions and drive growth. In various industries, AI tools are being used to revolutionize processes and drive innovation. For example, in healthcare, AI-powered diagnostic tools can analyze medical images and detect diseases with high accuracy. In finance, AI algorithms are used to predict market trends and optimize investment strategies. In marketing, AI tools can personalize content, target specific audiences, and measure campaign performance. The possibilities are endless when it comes to leveraging AI tools for enhancing productivity and achieving success in today's digital age. Implementing AI tools effectively. Integrating AI tools into your daily workflow can significantly enhance productivity and efficiency, but it's essential to do so strategically and thoughtfully. By following practical strategies and tips, you can maximize the benefits of AI tools and streamline your work processes effectively. Let's explore how you can implement AI tools into your workflow for optimal results. Step 1. Selecting the right AI tools. Before incorporating AI tools into your workflow, it's crucial to assess your specific needs and goals. Identify areas where AI tools can add value, such as automating repetitive tasks, analyzing data, or improving decision-making. Research different AI tools available in the market and choose ones that align with your objectives. Consider factors like ease of use, compatibility with existing systems, and scalability to ensure a seamless integration process. Step 2. Setting up and customizing AI tools. Once you've selected the right AI tools, it's important to set them up and customize them to suit your individual preferences. Follow the onboarding process provided by the tool's developer and configure settings according to your workflow requirements. Customize features, workflows, and notifications to optimize the tool's performance and tailor it to your specific needs. Regularly review and adjust settings as needed to ensure maximum efficiency and effectiveness. Step 3. Overcoming common challenges. When adopting AI tools, you may encounter challenges such as resistance to change, technical issues, or data privacy concerns. To ensure a smooth integration process, communicate the benefits of AI tools to your team members and provide training and support to help them adapt to the new tools. Address any technical issues promptly and implement robust data security measures to protect sensitive information. Monitor the performance of AI tools regularly and gather feedback from users to identify areas for improvement and optimization. By following these practical strategies and tips for implementing AI tools effectively, you can harness the power of artificial intelligence to boost productivity, streamline workflows, and achieve your goals with ease. Embrace the potential of AI tools and unlock new possibilities for success in today's digital-driven world. Maximizing productivity with AI. To truly unlock the full potential of AI tools for productivity enhancement, it's essential to delve into their advanced techniques and features that can revolutionize the way you work. By harnessing functionalities like predictive analytics, natural language processing, and machine learning, you can streamline tasks, make informed decisions, and optimize your workflow for maximum efficiency. Let's explore how you can leverage AI tools to boost productivity to new heights. Advanced functionality of AI tools. AI tools offer a range of advanced functionalities that can transform the way you work. Predictive analytics, for example, uses historical data and statistical algorithms to forecast future trends and outcomes, enabling you to make proactive decisions and anticipate potential challenges. Natural language processing allows AI tools to understand and interpret human language, making it easier to communicate with virtual assistants, analyze text data, and extract valuable insights. Machine learning algorithms continuously learn from data inputs, adapt to changing patterns, and improve accuracy over time, empowering you to automate tasks and optimize processes with precision. Are you enjoying this motivational and actionable information? Like and subscribe for more tips for time management and decision-making. When it comes to maximizing productivity, AI tools can be invaluable for time management, task prioritization, and decision-making. Use AI-powered scheduling tools to optimize your calendar, set reminders, and allocate time for important tasks. Leverage AI algorithms to prioritize tasks based on deadlines, importance, and dependencies, ensuring that you focus on high-priority activities first. Make use of AI-driven decision support systems to analyze data, generate recommendations, and facilitate strategic decision-making in complex situations. Automation and focus on high-value activities. One of the key benefits of AI tools is their ability to automate repetitive tasks, freeing up time and mental energy for more strategic and creative endeavors. Delegate routine activities to AI-powered bots, chatbots, or workflow automation tools to handle data entry, document processing, and other mundane tasks efficiently. By automating these tasks, you can redirect your focus towards high-value activities that require human expertise, innovation, and problem-solving skills, ultimately driving productivity and success in your work. By showcasing the advanced techniques and features of AI tools, providing tips for time management and decision-making, and illustrating how AI tools can automate tasks and enable focus on high-value activities, you can maximize productivity and achieve your goals with ease. Embrace the power of AI tools to revolutionize your workflow, optimize efficiency, and propel your productivity to new heights in today's digital age. Case studies and success stories. Real-life case studies and success stories serve as powerful examples of how individuals and businesses have harnessed the potential of AI tools to achieve remarkable productivity gains and drive success. By showcasing inspiring examples of AI tools transforming workflows, boosting efficiency, and delivering tangible outcomes, we can glean valuable insights and lessons on how to leverage AI tools effectively in our own endeavors. Case Study 1. Company X implements AI-powered automation software. Company X, a leading e-commerce retailer, implemented AI-powered automation software to streamline order processing and inventory management. By automating repetitive tasks such as order fulfillment, inventory tracking, and customer support, Company X was able to reduce manual errors, improve order accuracy, and enhance customer satisfaction. As a result, the company experienced a 30% increase in operational efficiency, reduced processing times by 50%, and saw a significant boost in sales revenue. Case Study 2. Freelancer Y utilizes AI-powered virtual assistant. Freelancer Y, a graphic designer, integrated an AI-powered virtual assistant into their workflow to manage project deadlines, schedule client meetings, and organize design assets. The virtual assistant utilized natural language processing to understand Freelancer Y's preferences and automate routine tasks, allowing them to focus on creative work and client projects. With the help of the virtual assistant, Freelancer Y saw a 40% increase in productivity, improved client communication, and a 20% growth in client referrals. Key takeaways. AI tools can significantly enhance productivity by automating tasks, improving accuracy, and freeing up time for high-value activities. Implementing AI tools requires careful planning, customization, and ongoing optimization to maximize their benefits. Success with AI tools is contingent on user adoption, training, and continuous feedback to ensure smooth integration and effective utilization. By examining these case studies and success stories, we can gain valuable insights into the transformative power of AI tools and learn how to apply best practices in our own work environments. Embrace the potential of AI tools to drive productivity, efficiency, and success in your endeavors, and unlock new possibilities for growth in today's digital landscape. In conclusion, mastering AI tools for enhancing productivity is not just a trend but a necessity in today's fast-paced digital landscape. Throughout this video, we have explored the transformative power of AI tools in streamlining workflows, automating tasks, and driving efficiency to new heights. By harnessing the potential of AI tools, individuals and businesses can stay competitive, make informed decisions, and achieve greater success in their endeavors. It is crucial to recognize the importance of continuous learning and adaptation to new technologies like AI tools. As the digital world evolves rapidly, embracing AI tools allows you to optimize your workflow, unlock new opportunities, and propel your productivity to new levels. By staying informed about the latest advancements in AI technology and actively incorporating AI tools into your daily operations, you can position yourself for success and growth in a dynamic and competitive environment. We encourage you to take action today by implementing AI tools in your work processes to experience firsthand the benefits of enhanced productivity and efficiency. Whether you are a freelancer, entrepreneur, or business owner, integrating AI tools into your workflow can revolutionize the way you work, enabling you to achieve more in less time and drive meaningful results. If you found this video informative and valuable, we invite you to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others to spread awareness about the potential of AI tools for productivity. Together, we can empower individuals and businesses to leverage AI tools effectively, optimize their workflows, and thrive in the digital age. Thank you for watching, and remember, the future of productivity is in your hands with AI tools at your disposal.